Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping quickly. Brush softly and dry teeth with tissue so strips adhere. Open one packet and peel the strip. Place the gel side on your front teeth and press firmly to eliminate air pockets. Once aligned, fold the excess behind teeth and press along the gum line for a snug seal. Make sure not to touch gel with fingers, doing so wastes product. You're now set for the timed whitening period that follows. Once the strips are on, set a reliable timer for the stated duration and sit still. Excessive talking or lip movement can shift them. The gel works by consistent contact, so keep lips relaxed and avoid eating or drinking during the session. If you feel mild sensitivity, pause and remove strips early. Next time, reduce wear time or use a fluoride desensitizing toothpaste before treatment. Make sure to follow the full course as instructed for steady improvement, rather than faster, risky attempts. When the timer ends, peel strips off slowly and discard them. Rinse your mouth with cool water to remove gel residue and gently wipe your teeth and gums. Make sure no sticky gel remains between teeth. Use a soft toothbrush if needed. If you notice prolonged gum redness, burning, or intense sensitivity, stop treatments immediately and contact your dentist. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Otherwise, continue treatment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.